as what I promised, no? See the Wikipedia of Heartist Pure Care na bag-o na pagka 31st, no? Giusab sa ni Microsoft, ni Google o ni YouTube, no? All my bossing, no? So here, Heartist Pure Care, as of today ni siya, January 3, 2015, no? Heartist Singapore Education, by which lagi na atong anak ni Bukoy diri, no? Malalay. There you are, Heartist Pure Care, then 6 treatments, sumausap-usap na ni per day, by which asap ni gipangayo sa United States of America. Di ka kailabot ani, by which government to government, no? NBA, no? Prepare all the NBA, no? Again, so gipangutan na pag niya diri asa ko dapita nga computer, by which gabang po lagi, no? Ana ka gi-monitor sa stage, no? So here, again, kamamaloy ni, so follow this one also, by which lagi, magic, no? This is not magic, this is a stress test machine, no? So here, again, perti ng kusuga, by which lagi, sakit kuno kayo, sakit yung aloy, no? Sakit by which ni recover na yung brain, no? Malagi ito yung iyang husband nga, hili ko na yung ani sa unan. Okay, watch on the episode 1, pag sa hospital, no? Again, episode 1 today is about 7 treatment sessions, 15 days from the attack, no? Totally paralysis on the left. By which lagi, mapuni siya yung pinakanindot ko na kung masample sa United States, how effectiveness of the Arwin ergometer, no? Malagi na stress test machine for the electronic beryllium. There you are, that's 20 minutes, and then, watch out this one, ya. Palakon ko na ni sa outside, no? Again, thank you.